A major discovery is shaking up the world of astronomy, and it might just change what we know about our solar system. On July 1st, Chile's Atlas telescope picked up an unusual object. Scientists quickly confirmed it's only the third known interstellar object ever detected by humans. They've named it 3I Atlas. To understand why this discovery matters, we first need to clarify one key idea. What exactly is an interstellar object? Before we dive into the story, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss what's coming next. Simply put, interstellar objects are bodies not bound by the gravity of any single star. They're born outside our solar system, in distant star systems far away. Over time, they get flung out of their home and start drifting through the vastness of interstellar space. Sometimes, they pass through our solar system by chance, but they don't stay long. Eventually, they continue on their endless journey through the universe. These objects are extremely rare and very hard to detect. So far, we've only detected 3 interstellar objects. The first one, back in 2017, was called Oumuamua, and it shocked the world. What made it so strange? First, its shape was totally unusual. Observations showed it was super long and skinny, or just irregular, maybe up to 10 times longer than it was wide. That's incredibly rare for any natural object formed in our solar system. Second, its movement was baffling. As it flew away from the sun, it sped up in a way that couldn't be explained by the sun's gravity alone. But unlike a comet, there were no signs of gas or dust jets pushing it forward. Because of these mysteries, Harvard professor Avi Loeb sparked a big controversy by suggesting that Oumuamua might not be a natural object at all, but possibly an alien technology. In 2019, the second interstellar object was discovered, the comet 2I Borisov. It stood in sharp contrast to Oumuamua, a typical comet with a clear tail and a composition similar to comets in our solar system. Its discovery proved at least one thing: interstellar objects aren't once in a millennium rare. They might actually show up more often than we think. Now the spotlight is on the new visitor, 3I Atlas. It's moving at an astonishing speed, about 67.8 kilometers per second. That's 244,000 kilometers per hour. Right now, it's roughly 3.8 astronomical units from the Sun. That's about 3.8 times the average distance between the Earth and the Sun. Here are the key points about its trajectory. October 3rd, 2025, it will make a close flyby of Mars. October 23rd, 2025, it reaches perihelion, the closest point to the Sun, at about 2 astronomical units. November or December 2025, expected to make its closest approach to Earth. Interestingly, a Japanese farmer claims he met an alien who warned that a mysterious green planet will pass by Earth in 2025. Curious? Click the top right corner to watch the full story. The astronomer we mentioned earlier, Professor Avi Loeb, has been a key voice in the debate about the origins of these interstellar objects. He believes they could represent advanced alien technology. He even proposed a theory that this object, 3I Atlas, might be alien tech and could possibly launch an attack on our planet. Researchers believe that 3I Atlas's clever orbit makes it easier for this smart alien ship to approach Earth without being detected. They suggest that when it reaches perihelion, its closest point to the Sun, in late November, it will be hiding in Earth's blind spot, right behind the Sun. This gives it the perfect cover to perform a secret slowdown maneuver inside this shadow. If it succeeds, it could stay inside our solar system, quietly preparing for a possible operation. They also point out that 3I Atlas follows an unusual path that brings it very close to Venus, Mars, and Jupiter. The odds of naturally visiting so many planets on one trip are extremely low, less than 0.005%. Professor Loeb has suggested using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope to study this newly discovered interstellar object in greater detail. The goal? To look for signs of non-gravitational acceleration, that is, movement changes that can't be explained by the gravity of the Sun or planets. If such unusual thrust is detected, it could mean the object has some kind of artificial propulsion system on board. In other words, it might not be a natural object at all. The mainstream scientific community remains cautious. Paul Chodas, head of NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory Near-Earth Object Studies, confirmed, its speed clearly shows it comes from interstellar space, and its trajectory traces back roughly to the centre of the Milky Way. It definitely originated from another star system. However, scientists still haven't fully determined 3I Atlas's exact type or size. Regarding its size, Professor Loeb offered an analysis based on its brightness. 3I Atlas is unusually bright. He explained, if its surface reflectivity, or albedo, is as low as a typical dark rocky asteroid, then to appear as bright as we observe, it must be very large, estimated at about 20 kilometres in diameter. If this estimate is accurate, it would be significantly larger than both Oumuamua and the Borisov comet. Here's an intriguing question. Before 2017, we'd never confirmed an interstellar object passing through our solar system, but in just a few years we've discovered 3. This raises some thoughts. Why were such objects so rare in the long history of astronomy, yet so clustered recently? Is it because our detection technology was insufficient before? Or are these recent visitors genuinely more frequent or different in nature? The next few weeks and months will be crucial. Astronomers worldwide, especially those using the powerful James Webb Space Telescope, will closely track 3I/Atlas. We'll work hard to determine its exact size, shape, composition, and possible origin. Thanks to more advanced observation technology than what we had during the Oumuamua and 2I Borisov discoveries, we have a better chance to truly understand this interstellar visitor. So, what exactly is 3I Atlas? A massive interstellar comet? A strange asteroid fragment? Or something else? The answer remains to be seen. Its arrival reminds us that our solar system isn't completely closed off. Objects from deep within the galaxy are passing through all the time. Studying it will help us better understand our place in the universe. Until then, don't forget to keep your eyes on the night sky. Let us know what you think in the comments. See you in the next video.